The Talking Parrot. Once a lady wanted to buy a talking parrot for herself. So she went to a pet shop owner and told him about her requirement. The shop owner said, "Yes, madam, I have a talking parrot." Then he showed her a parrot. The owner further said, "If you pull the string on the left leg, he'll say, 'Hi, how are you?' And if you pull the string on the right leg, he'll say, 'I'm fine, thank you.'" At this, the lady asked, "What if I pull both the strings?" "Then I would fall from this perch, you stupid lady," answered the parrot.